You finish a meeting, close the tab, maybe take a breath, and then it hits you still have to send the follow-up email. It's always that one last step that lingers longer than it should. So you sit there trying to recall what was actually decided, who agreed to do what, and how to phrase everything in a way that sounds clear and professional. It feels simple, but it never is. What should realistically take 2 minutes somehow turns into 20, especially when you start overthinking wording, structure, and tone. And the frustrating part is, this doesn't just happen once. It repeats after almost every meeting you attend. It's not that writing is difficult. The real issue is that you're rebuilding the same type of email from scratch every single time without realizing it. Every follow-up email follows a predictable structure: a quick summary, key decisions, next steps, assigned responsibilities, and sometimes deadlines. The only thing that actually changes is the content inside that structure, not the structure itself. Yet you're manually stitching everything together again and again, as if it's a completely new task each time. That's the hidden inefficiency most people overlook. It's not a writing problem, it's a system problem. Because the moment you stop thinking of this as writing an email and start treating it as feeding inputs into a system, everything changes. There's a much faster and easier way to handle this, but most people never notice it because they're stuck in manual mode. Instead of writing full emails, all you need to do is capture 3 simple things right after the meeting ends: decisions made, action items, and who's responsible for each task. No formatting, no perfect sentences, no worrying about how it sounds, just quick, messy notes while everything is still fresh. This is where the real shift happens. You take those rough notes and plug them into what I call the post-meeting auto follow-up system. This system transforms your raw, unstructured inputs into a clean, professional, and well-organized email within seconds. It automatically creates a clear summary at the top, followed by structured action steps with owners and deadlines. It even adjusts tone depending on whether the email is internal, client-facing, or more formal. Here's how you actually use this in a real workflow. Right after the meeting ends, jot down quick bullet points without trying to make them sound polished or complete. Focus only on capturing the essentials. Then take those bullet points and drop them into a saved prompt that already defines your email structure and formatting. Let AI handle the heavy lifting by turning those rough inputs into a polished follow-up email, then do a quick 10-second scan to confirm accuracy and hit send. Most people make one critical mistake at this stage. They try to write better notes instead of writing faster notes. But the system works best when your input is fast and imperfect because the structure and clarity are already handled automatically. Before using this approach, you'd spend 15 to 25 minutes after every meeting trying to reconstruct everything and second-guess every sentence. Now, you can simply type something like, "Launch delayed, John handles design, deadline Friday, client approved budget," and move on. Within seconds, that rough input becomes a clear, professional follow-up email that's ready to send without extra effort. You're delivering the same information, but with far less time, less friction, and much higher consistency. And over time, this doesn't just save minutes, it compounds into hours saved every single week. If you run meetings daily, check the description for more.